Alright, what we got today is my RX-7 FD right here. We're gonna try to do some DoorDashing for it, just for fun. I'm not really gonna get much money out of this. There we go. Let's go over the set a little bit and then we'll head out. Just some basic stuff here. Just a 13 RW, just a little bigger turbo, not really that big. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing too crazy going on here, just some basic stuff. But let's go have some fun. Okay, yeah, it's nothing too crazy, just some coilovers going on here and there. It's a beautiful car, but like I said, it's just for fun, not making too much money out of this, just for the sound and clips. I do have a mic hook up to the engine bay, but I don't know how well that works, so try to see what's going on here. I'm gonna try to get as much sound clips because the turbo does sound good. Also, there's no muffling for wind on my camera here. We're gonna do our best and go from there. I try to get the best camera angle as possible, but obviously there's not much I can do unless I get a different setup. But this should work for now. It's a little bit low. It's a little bit lower than I'm hoping, but it should work. Also, while I do this, I'm a little bit worried that the car may or may not start up. Sorry about the sun, guys. It's more of a driving video, but a little bit of money on the side. Let's go hang out. I do feel a little bit cringy having this whole setup on me, but it's for the gram, so actually for the tube. This car does get a lot of looks, which is also a bad thing because I had this camera strapped to my freaking chest right here. I don't know if this is a good angle. I can't really tell. Just call it good right there. There's a cop right there. I'm gonna take it off real quick. Ooh, we do got an offer.
$40 offer. Pick up at Checkers and Rally's.
Shit, dude, that's far. I'm not gonna do that one. That is kind of ridiculous. Try to put the windows up so you guys can hear more of the car, I hope. I love this car so much. It sounds so good. But I also can't see quite jack of anything, so I hope the wind is not too bad. I can't really tell though. But if you guys do like this camera angle in this type of video, let me know. I am working on a lot of type of videos right now. I have planned, but it just takes a while for me to edit. I'm not the fastest editor ever, but you know. So like I said, we're just gonna hang around here until we get an offer, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, I just got an offer. Let's go pick it up. Alright guys, I got the order here. I really should have took the $10 one, but whatever. Too damn late now. Alright, let's go. Seatbelt on all the time. I don't know why people don't put their freaking seatbelts on. It's literally, let's get this order done. This car is actually fun though. I'm not even joking. That lab was fake as hell, but this car is actually fun. It's not even that far. I really wish I would have got that $15 one. Hope the camera's straight. It kind of doesn't look straight. I'm still learning the car scene here. I don't know how good it is. That flutter's to die for. Alright, that's my favorite part. Holy shit. I hope the wind is not too unbearable. If not, I'm gonna definitely edit it in the post, but I love this car so much. I really take this to any new car. I've had my fair share of new cars, and I always come back to an old car because it's actually so much fun. It's a feeling that you can't get with a new car. Maybe you can. I've never modified a new car to the level like this, but I just don't think it can get as good as this, in my personal opinion. I've had like double the horsepower in a car with a newer BMW, and it doesn't feel like this. Like I'm only running like 10 pounds of boost right now. I'm having so much fun. Mixed with the manual and just the raw feeling of the car, it's just great, honestly. Maybe big turbo on a new car is like really insane. I'm not a jackass as well. I do not speed in neighborhoods, but I do condone doing goof shit on like anywhere else. Like if it's in the country, do as much goof shit as you want. I do goof shit, allegedly. I'm also happy to see I'm confident enough in my tune where I don't need my laptop anymore. Literally, I've been refining it for a few days now, just doing data logs and then changing the map afterwards. I've never done that before. I usually just street tune with my dad. He drives and I tune, or I drive and he tunes. But since I got this AFR gauge on dot in the Haltech ECU, I can now actually tune it how I want. So it's good. It's good. Happy with it. All right, well, I am getting close to the house, so I'm gonna cut and then I'll record again once I'm back on the road. All right, those guys are super cool. He had a Civic wagon. It was dope. Now we'll wait for another offer. That guy was super sick. I appreciate him. He followed me. It was pretty dope. He also had like a few like little kids. I think maybe his brothers or something. And he was super sick. All right, well now let's get another offer and mess around. I think I'm gonna only do 2 to be honest, but I'm just gonna go drive around for a few. I mean, like I said, all this is just for fun anyways. I'm not in it for the money. You get very little from this anyways. Holy crap. Ma'am, sir, they, them, we're only going like 25 and a 40. Hate to break it to you. This car hates low RPM. It's street ported. It has a big street port actually, so it will naturally hate it unless it's running pretty rich. But I like to keep it a little bit leaner, of course, because obviously, because my gas mileage. But if I do not care about gas mileage and only care about drivability, I would definitely keep it a little bit rich. It drives you so much better, but MPGs. It's almost about time to pop up the headlights. I think something is loose. I think I hear it. I used to have an exhaust valve on the bottom and I took it off and put a block-off plate. I think there is a pretty good chance that that's loose. I hear something like rattling a bit. I think that's why it's popping so much also. Don't kill me, please. Do not kill me, please. I really want to do like a 2-3 and running it out, but I don't know where to go. Like I said, this is not my usual town, so I don't know all the spots. But trust me, if it was, I would be hauling ass. We go ahead and turn around. We're definitely going the wrong way. I took the wrong turn. Well, it's kind of a fire road. Let's go check it out. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see even the road, but this is a fire road. You just slide this shit easy. Pops are obnoxious. I don't even know why either, but they're so obnoxious. I actually hit third. If you guys see my compilation of me not hitting third, you know I can never hit third, but I hit third that time. Let's go pop these headlights. Watch this, watch this. Bam! Oh, that's sick. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, let me show you, let me show you. Look at that. Pop up headlights, baby. Oh, my camera's about to die anyways. Alright, we might as well wrap the video up. I'm sorry it was kind of short. We only did 1 offer, unfortunately, but this was a lot of fun. If you guys want to see more of this type of content, let me know. More DoorDash, more cars, different cars. Or this car. This car is great too. I love this car. Yeah, maybe I'll do it later or earlier in the day next time, so we get more offers and more fun. But that's about to be it. I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all later. I just said that. I'll see you guys again.